Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to stop the Spotify app from draining battery in background on iPhone. If your battery keeps running out too quickly, Spotify might need the reason. Here's how to fix it. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down on apps and then scroll down and tap Spotify. Next, what you're gonna do is toggle off the background app refresh. This stops Spotify from running where you're not using it. Next, go to settings and then search or go to battery. Then check if Spotify is listed as the top battery user. If it is, open the Spotify app, go to settings, then click on playback, and then turn off options like canvas and autoplay. These eat up extra battery power. Next, finally close the Spotify completely. After you swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then swipe Spotify off the app switcher. Safety tip: don't disable notifications if you rely on Spotify Connect like smart speakers. Just limit background refresh. Quick fix: if it still drains battery, delete and reinstall the Spotify app from the App Store. Corrupted cache can sometimes cause background drain. Subscribe for more quick